Hello, this is Steve Willits, and today I'm going to show you how to share a file from SharePoint. It's really very simple, and you can do it either through the web browser or through Windows Explorer. Basically, it's the same exact thing either way. All you do is find the file you want to share, and you right-click and choose Share. The other option for doing that is doing it from right here from inside of the web browser in SharePoint. And again, I have the same button here. I can click for Share. And the screen here is going to be the same no matter how you do it, but you have a couple options here. First off, you pick the name of whoever you want to share it to. So I'm going to share it with myself here for the moment. I can either make it so the person can edit it, can view it, and I can also prevent them from downloading it. So in this case, I'm just going to do view. I can add a little message if I want. And then I also have the option of copying, putting in a link. So if I didn't want to send it from here, this will actually send an email to the user with it, but it'll be kind of generic. I could copy this link and paste it and send it from my Outlook. But one of the really important things to look at here is the link settings. And this is important because you have a lot of options on how you set this. So you can get more control over how this link works of either sending it, anybody who gets the link can access it, and that's obviously a security risk. You can make it so only shared within your organization, or you can say only people with existing access. So if you had shared this folder with somebody special or something like that, all those people would have access to it. Or you can specify, and that's what I have here. I can specify who I'm choosing this with. And again, I have the option of more view here, or can view. I've got those same options again right here. And I can also set an expiration date. So if I want them to download this right away, I can say, okay, this is going to expire tomorrow. And once I choose these settings, I say, okay, I apply that. And I can, if I want to send it from Outlook, I can just copy this link. And now I can open up my Outlook and I can create a new message, and I can just paste this link into my message, and I would, send it to whoever I wanted here, and away we go. Um, the other option is I can actually send it right from the previous screen where I can just click send. And I'll go ahead and send that right now so you can see what it looks like coming through. Obviously, if you send it from your Outlook, it'll look like whatever your normal Outlook email message is. But now if I go back in Outlook, we can see I've gotten this message, and this is what it looks like if you have SharePoint send it. And that's really all there is to it. It's really straightforward. The key thing here is to make sure, one, that you have external sharing available on configured, because you can, as by default, SharePoint allows external sharing, but it can be turned off. So obviously, whatever folder this file was in, you'd have to enable external sharing to make that happen. And then be really careful about those options again, back where we were sharing the file, to look at it and make sure that you have the settings you want here for all these sets. So expiration date and the proper access and all that. And that's all there is to it. That's how you share a file in SharePoint. Pretty straightforward. And if you have any problems or questions, obviously let us know. Thanks very much.